This Century 21 Hancock Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Tracy Dozier. Rare opportunity to own a gorgeous home on a large, private lot in sought-after Ridgemont. The first floor has a large, open floor plan including a 12 by 12 sunroom permitted, hardwood and tile floors perfect for entertaining guests. The second floor features a large, open loft plus walk-in closets, and grand master bedroom, and a luxurious master bath with separate tub and walk-in shower. A back patio with a huge, private backyard, and a 2-car garage. The owners added many details that are a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Dozier at 919-691-7435.